Ranganthittu is a bird sanctuary about 11 miles from the city of Mysore in southern India. Open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, there is an entry fee of 50 rupees for Indian nationals and 200 for foreigners. Comprising of 6 little islands in a calm section of the river Kaveri, Ranganthittu is an important breeding and resting spot for thousands of bird species.
Ranganthittu is also famous for their crocodiles. When we were kids, we used to be deathly afraid of going in the boat ride. In fact, 2 of my cousins who are with me right now are refusing to get in the boat because they are afraid of being eaten by the crocodiles, which has happened in the past before.
Tall, shady trees line the path to the river, with boards explaining the types of birds you are likely to see. To see the birds, you go on a 30-minute boat ride, which is 50 rupees for Indian citizens and 200 for foreigners. The boatmen can act as guides if you ask the questions.
Crocodile population has reduced, increased, numbers have come down.
40 crocodiles.
40 crocodiles. I remember when we used to come here as kids, there used to be a lot more crocodiles. We just saw one today.
We went to Ranganthittu at the end of a long, hot summer day of driving and touring. The birds, slow pace of the boat and the lap-lap of the oar makes Ranganthittu a peaceful break from the noise and rush of traveling southern India.